Now that we learned how this project should look like in the end and that we prepared all these pages, let's first of all start by adjusting this main routing configuration. I don't want to have all these routes as root routes like this. Instead, I only want to have the root routes here, which, really are kind of top-level routes. And that would be auth, which obviously is something we load as the first route in case we never logged in. I want to have my places there, which will then be the page with the tabs and where I then set up its own routing. And I want to have my bookings here as a top-level route too, because that is not a nested route inside of places or anything like that. It is a sibling to places, logically. All these other routes are not needed here. I don't want to set them up as top-level routes, and therefore I'll delete them. And here, as a default, when we're logging in, for now I will redirect to places here. Later, we'll add an auth guard here and find out whether we are allowed to visit the places. And if we're not authenticated, we'll redirect to auth. But that's something we'll do later. For now, let's redirect to places. So that is my top-level configuration. And with that, when we run ionic serve, we should load that places module here, obviously. And that places module basically is responsible for rendering the places page. So what we should see in the end is this places page with the title of just places here. And we do. Here it is. That is our places page. That's the route configuration adjusted. Now in the places page, I don't want to start setting up anything too fancy. I'll just fix the title. Instead, I want to dive right into tabs and explain how you can add tabs to have a tab bar, which then allows you to switch between the find a place or discover a place and offer a place page.